Scene script. Have you ever wondered why dry cough is so common and yet so discomforting? It's a question that many of us have pondered, especially when we find ourselves reaching for a lozenge or a glass of water in the middle of the night. Dry cough is a common phenomenon. It's as ubiquitous as the common cold, and just as irritating. But what makes it so prevalent? Well, it's not a disease in itself, but rather a symptom. A symptom of a myriad of underlying conditions, ranging from allergies and colds to environmental irritations. Picture this. You're walking through a park on a sunny day enjoying the pleasant weather. Suddenly you start coughing. Dry, raspy coughs that seem to come from nowhere. You've just encountered an allergen that your body is reacting to. Or perhaps you're in a crowded bus, and the person next to you sneezes. A few days later you're hit with a dry cough. That's the common cold making its presence known. And then there are irritations, smoke from a barbecue, dust from a construction site, or even the dry air in an airplane cabin. These can all trigger a dry cough. But why is it so discomforting? Well, apart from being an annoyance, a dry cough can disrupt our sleep, leaving us feeling fatigued and worn out. It can cause a sore throat, making every swallow an ordeal. And let's not forget the embarrassment of a coughing fit in a quiet room. But here's the thing. While dry cough is common and discomforting, it's not something we have to endure without relief. We have options, remedies that we can turn to, that can ease the discomfort and help us deal with this pesky symptom. Now that we know what a dry cough is and how it affects us, let's explore some home remedies that can bring relief. After all, knowledge is the first step towards action. And action in this case can mean the difference between nights of disrupted sleep and peaceful rest. So let's dive in and explore these remedies, shall we? One of the most effective and natural remedies for dry cough is honey. Yes, the same sweet golden liquid that's probably sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now. Honey, a gift from nature, is much more than a simple sweetener. It's a powerhouse of benefits, especially when it comes to soothing that persistent dry cough. Let's delve into the wonders of honey. It's rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help calm an irritated throat. Its smooth, thick consistency coats the throat, providing a soothing effect that can help reduce the urge to cough. Moreover, honey has antibacterial properties, which can help in fighting off infections that might be causing your cough. Now, you might be wondering, how should you use honey for a dry cough? Well, it's quite simple and straightforward. Take a tablespoon of honey and mix it with warm water or herbal tea. The warmth of the water or tea coupled with the soothing properties of honey can provide immediate relief. Drink this concoction a few times a day, and you might just notice your dry cough becoming less bothersome. However, as beneficial as honey is, it's important to note that it's not suitable for everyone. Specifically, children under 1 year old should not be given honey. This is because honey can contain bacteria that their immature digestive systems can't handle, possibly leading to a serious illness known as infant botulism. So let's sum it up. Honey is a natural, easily accessible remedy for a dry cough. It's soothing, it's healing, and it's right there in your kitchen. But remember, like any remedy, it's not a magic potion that will instantly cure a persistent dry cough. If your symptoms persist or worsen, it's always a good idea to seek medical advice. So, the next time you're bothered by a dry cough, remember to reach out for a jar of honey. It's one of nature's sweetest gifts that can potentially provide some much-needed relief. Another powerful home remedy for dry cough is steam inhalation. This traditional remedy has stood the test of time and continues to be a go-to solution for many. But why is it so effective? Well, it all comes down to the magic of moisture. Inhaling steam helps moisten your dry and irritated airways, providing instant relief. Think of it as a warm, soothing balm for your throat, reducing the discomfort caused by a persistent dry cough. It also aids in loosening any mucus, making it easier for your body to expel it. Now, let's talk about how to do it. It's quite simple, really. First, you need to boil some water. The amount doesn't have to be exact. Just enough to fill a large bowl should suffice. Once your water is boiled, carefully pour it into the bowl. Be sure to handle the hot water with care to avoid any accidental burns. Next, lean over the bowl, but maintain a safe distance. You want to be close enough to inhale the steam, but not so close that you risk burning your face. If you have a towel handy, drape it over your head and the bowl. This creates a mini sauna, concentrating the steam and making the inhalation process more effective. Breathe in the steam deeply, allowing it to soothe your airways. If at any point it feels too hot or uncomfortable, take a step back. Remember, the aim is to alleviate your cough, not to cause further discomfort. A quick note of caution here. While steam inhalation is generally safe, it's important to make sure it's done correctly to avoid burns. Always maintain a safe distance from the hot water and steam, and never leave boiling water unattended, especially if there are children around. As with any home remedy, consistency is key. Regular steam inhalation can significantly ease the symptoms of a dry cough and even speed up recovery. Remember, steam inhalation is a simple yet effective remedy, but be careful not to scald yourself. It's all about finding relief in a safe and controlled manner. Hydration and rest, while seemingly basic, are crucial in addressing dry cough. Let's delve into why these two strategies are so vital to your recovery. Firstly, let's talk about hydration. Water is the lifeblood of our bodies, accounting for about 60% of our body weight. It plays a key role in maintaining our overall health. But when it comes to dry cough, hydration takes on an even more significant role. Drinking plenty of water can help soothe an irritated throat, alleviating the discomfort caused by continuous coughing. Water helps to moisten the throat, providing a soothing effect and reducing the urge to cough. It's like a natural lubricant for your throat, easing the dryness and irritation that often accompany a persistent dry cough. But why stop at plain water? Warm liquids can provide additional comfort. Consider herbal teas or warm water with a squeeze of lemon. These not only hydrate but also have a comforting warmth that can further soothe your throat. Herbal teas in particular can come with additional benefits. Some herbs like chamomile or peppermint have properties that can help relax your body and soothe a sore throat. Now, let's talk about rest. Your body is a remarkable machine, capable of healing itself in many instances. But to do this effectively, it needs time and energy. That's where rest comes into play. By ensuring you get plenty of sleep, you're giving your body the best chance to fight off the virus or bacteria causing your cough. Rest allows your body to focus its energy on healing, boosting your immune system's ability to respond to the illness. In conclusion, while they may seem simplistic, hydration and rest are powerful tools in your arsenal against dry cough. They aid in soothing discomfort, promoting healing, and boosting your body's natural defenses. So, the next time you find yourself battling a dry cough, remember to reach for that glass of water and get some shut-eye. Never underestimate the power of good hydration and rest when combating a dry cough. Let's recap on what we've learned today about home remedies for dry cough. We began our journey with the acknowledgement of the common discomfort of dry cough. We have all experienced it at some point, and it's definitely not a pleasant sensation. But we also learned that it's a way for our body to communicate with us that something is not quite right. Then we explored the wonders of honey. It's not just a sweet treat, but a natural healer with powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. A spoonful of honey before bed can help soothe your throat and reduce the irritation that causes a dry cough. Remember, raw and organic is the way to go. Next, we dove into the clouds of steam inhalation. This method is as simple as it sounds, yet incredibly effective. The warm steam helps to moisten your throat and loosen up the mucus, providing immediate relief. You can add a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint for an extra soothing effect. But let's not forget about the importance of hydration and rest. Drinking plenty of fluids can help to thin the mucus and soothe your throat, while resting allows your body to focus on fighting off the infection or inflammation causing the cough. While these home remedies can be beneficial in managing a dry cough, it's essential to remember that they are not a replacement for professional medical advice. If your cough persists for more than a week, becomes worse, or is accompanied by other symptoms such as fever or shortness of breath, please do not hesitate to consult a healthcare professional. So there you have it: honey, steam inhalation, hydration, and rest. 4 simple yet effective home remedies to help you manage that pesky dry cough. Remember, a dry cough is not just a discomfort, but a sign from your body. Listen to it, treat it with these home remedies, but don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed.